This is what we're dealing with right now. All the leaves are falling off the trees. It's raining like crazy here again today.
Yeah, it's raining like crazy here today. Yup.
All these leaves on my neighbor's house just fell. Here comes the wind again. It's dropped about 20 degrees in the last hour. It's crazy. Here we go again. It's freezing out here. All the leaves. Yard. Excuse me, Nicole.
Okay.
Thank you. Get out of the rain. You. No sicky. No sicky, come on. Get up here. Come on, I don't want you sick. Come on. And this is the kind of rain that'll make you sick. Come on. It's a cold rain. It's not a warm rain. Thank you, little girl. Well, thank you for understanding me.